Hi, and welcome to episode number 3 in this basics series. In today's episode, I will talk about search intent and how the same keyword, when somebody types into Amazon or Google or some targeting on Facebook, differs, and that will serve as an introduction later on when we will talk more in details about keywords, what they are, how to use them, and how to interpret them, because there is a whole world behind each and every keyword that somebody might type to get to your product. So, important distinction between these platforms is the search intent. Both, by the way, I'm speaking about Amazon, of course, and then Google. So both function based on the keywords, what somebody is trying to find. And it's important to understand the big difference. Somebody typing on coffee grinder, for example, on Amazon, will see the products, and nobody is going to go on Amazon just for fun to type different kind of keywords, unless you maybe have 5 years. But the same keyword coffee grinder on Google might be completely different thing. As shown is an example, coffee grinder. Now, of course, the AI overview doesn't help. Coffee grinder on Google will be just a research top of the funnel keyword. When somebody may just want to find a picture of coffee grinder, or somebody's talking with a friend, or little kids are typing, so you don't want to bid on these keywords the same way as you bid on Amazon. Sorry, so as clearly shown here in the example, coffee grinder can be just informative search, or maybe you will see these blog articles like top 9 best coffee grinders and whatever, some videos on like unboxing best coffee grinders in 2026 and whatever. Coffee grinder, however, the same keyword on Amazon shows us when somebody went to Amazon and typed coffee grinder, that immediately means that they are close to buying. Yes, it may be that they're at the top of the funnel, maybe middle of the funnel, but there's much bigger intent to buy. On average, conversion rate on Amazon is like 3 times more than Google, 10 times more than Google, depending on the category. So it's important to make this distinction, to start to think differently about keywords, what it means, and what if somebody typed coffee grinder, where are they currently in their thought process and how close they are to actually buy something. Are they researching, or they actually know what is it that they're searching for? I'm going to just show you for a second. So it's not the same as if somebody is typing coffee grinder, a general term, or then some of these examples over here, like coffee grinder electric, already means that somebody knows what their uh, goal is. So they specifically search for electric coffee grinder. Or if you're on the flip side, you want to use manual coffee grinder. Maybe you have an off-grid homestead and that's something that's really interesting for you, or you're just nostalgic about it. And then maybe you need a cleaner for coffee grinder, or coffee grinder for espresso, and so on. So this is already much bigger keyword with much bigger purchase intent than just coffee grinder, and that's important to understand. I'll go over keywords in details, but for this video, for me, it's important that you understand that not all the platforms are the same. So if you're coming from the Google Ads background, you need to understand that on Amazon things are functioning much different than on Google, and the same keywords are much the keyword that you wouldn't even consider to bid on Google Ads might be a pretty hot keyword in Amazon. So let's leave it at that as it is. And since I have it open, Facebook is not a keyword platform. It's a platform where you go to have some fun, or maybe you're having some fun to want to read something, and there's the ad masterclass for Father's Day, gift or whatever. So it's kind of stopping you from whatever you were doing and just maybe having fun, or maybe you went into some of the groups that you follow, whatever it is, and then they bombed you with something that may be interesting to you because of your previous interests or whatever that the bucket they put you in, you get your ad served. So it's not keyword based, so it's completely different. It's a completely different system, but these two, Amazon and Google, are keyword based, so we're gonna stick to that topic. So once again, Facebook is where people scroll and have some fun, entertainment. Google is where they research, and Amazon is where they buy. Therefore, same keywords, different intent. If you're coming from Google, that's important distinction again. And if you are into Amazon ads and you're thinking about running some Google ads, you need to be careful because you cannot export your Amazon keywords and then just put them in some random campaign on Google and start spending your money. That's going to be most of the time complete waste of money because just different platforms, different keywords, even the same keywords, different search intent between the two platforms. Let's leave it at that. I don't want this episode to be as complicated as it's becoming. Let's leave it as Amazon is a bottom funnel platform, and the keywords, whatever the keyword is, they are already close to buying, but there's this fine nuance to all of these different keywords that will go into next episodes where we'll gonna cover campaign structure, what's a campaign, what's the ad group, and then different types of targeting. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye bye.